Hello everyone, my name is Yao Cheng. Today I will give a short introduction to my product. My product is an organic saline-soil augmented substrate produced through solid-state fermentation of stevia residue. The main purpose is to improve saline-alkali soils in coastal areas, and it can also be used as an organic seedling substrate. The main users are farmers, agricultural cooperatives, and government agents. The raw material is the residue after the stevia extraction, which makes more than 70% of the formula, combined with livestock manure. During fermentation, we add specific beneficial microbes to break down organic metals and release nutrients. This achieves high-value use of agricultural waste and reduces pollution from landfilling and burning, bringing cleaner, sustainable and benefits. For production, we use a high-temperature agreeable solid-state fermentation process with intelligent temperature and humidity control. The process includes raw material collection, pre-treatment, mixing and incubation, fermentation, and screening and packaging. With high mechanization, the annual output can reach 10,000 tons, enough to support large-scale demand. Compared with ordinary composite, our product is innovative. It uses a unique raw material, stevia residue, and the process makes the product lightweight, with controllable composition and multiple functions, suitable for both saline soil improvement and seedling growth. In terms of market potential, the global organic fertilization market is expected to grow by 8% annually in the coming years, with stable raw material and low costs. The product can meet domestic demand and also have export opportunities, especially in Asia, in Europe, and America. More importantly, this product can improve soil structure, reduce chemical fertilizer use, increase crop yield and quality, and create rural jobs, which can support sustainability, agriculture, and green transformation. That is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for listening.